Hi, this is Haresh Muralidharan, a student at North Allegheny High School and a Remake Learning Days Youth Ambassador. Remake Learning Days 2023 starts soon, and I hope you'll join me at the open house for teens at Pittsburgh Technical College anytime from 4 to 7 p.m. on May 18th on 1111 McKee Road. This open house gives teens a chance to learn about what careers they want to pursue through touring a variety of labs and classrooms and chatting with a bunch of Pittsburgh Technical College students and staff from a multitude of different majors. Participants will also get to see an autonomous vehicle from Aurora, partner of PTC, while getting snacks and PTC swag. As a Remake Learning Days ambassador, I will be following up with a story recapping the event. I hope to get to chat with the students and professors there to get a better idea of the career I want to pursue. To learn more about PTC, visit ptcollege.edu. Open House for Teens at Pittsburgh Technical College is just one of the hundreds of free events running during Southwestern PA's Remake Learning Day celebration from May 4th to May 23rd. Learn more at remakelearningdays.org.